here. And if you then convert that to a batch from here to here is 50%, sorry, and so forth. All right, so when we run this, it sends it to this URL. That URL is this low code here. So we have some global variables. I don't want to get into too much detail. In this case, we're doing a do post, if you recall. And it will go and call this function here. It gets those parameters that we sent in the post. And then it calls and runs this function that says, from Google Sheet, get data and build the OpenAI batch request in the required JSON structure. Then we can create the batch file and store that to Google Drive. Then we need to upload that batch file to the servers at OpenAI. Then we need to create a batch and send that to the OpenAI. And again, here's a batch here, and the files are underneath storage, which is here. So I think we're about ready to do the demo, but let me just finish by saying once the batch is up there, it has the file, we need to monitor it, and that's where these triggers come into play. All right, so let's go ahead and run this. Run. Doesn't take too long. Okay, so it just went to that program. It gave the information it's looking for. It did come back with something. Let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit. It says the batch file was created, the batch itself was created, and both were uploaded to the OpenAI servers. And then, as what's called a scheduled time trigger, it's checking at 5 minutes, then 30 minutes, and if still waiting, then every hour. And then whenever it's completed, the output file will be stored in the drive. And then I'm saying, note, a new sheet tab was created, blah, and it's called this. So let's go ahead to our spreadsheet. And there it is. We click this. Let's zoom in a little bit. And let's make this a little bit more readable. Let's do, yeah, here we are. Truncate that a little bit. Now we'll expand. So this created